Okay, so let's have some examples. So all you need to do here is you just need to fill in the table with the needed information. For the first example, let's have aluminum with symbol Al. Given are the atomic number and the number of neutrons. So for the atomic number, we have 14. And the number of neutrons, we have 13. So we have learned before that the atomic numbers is always equal to the number of protons. So we can conclude that the number of protons for aluminum will be 14. And take note of this, in a neutral atom, always remember that the number of proton is always equal to the number of electron. So for aluminum, we have 14 electrons. Okay? So mass number is missing. So for the formula of mass number, you just need to add the number of neutrons plus the number of protons. So for the aluminum, we have 13 neutrons plus 14 protons. That will yield to 27 for the mass number. Okay, so it's easy, right? All right, so for the second example, let's have argon with symbol Ar. Given are the number of neutron and also the number of proton. Okay, so we can derive that the number of electron and the atomic number are the same. So for the atomic number, we have 18, and the number of electron will also be 18. So in here, mass number is also missing. So as I mentioned, you just need to add the number of neutron plus the number of protons since they are given. So for argon, we have 40 for the mass number. And for the last example, let's have germanium with symbol Ge. Given are the mass number, which is 73, and the number of electrons, which is 32. So as I mentioned, atomic number and the number of proton will be the same, and the number of proton in a neutral atom will always equal to the number of electron. So for this germanium, we can conclude the atomic number is also 32, the number of proton is also 32, and since neutron is missing, all you need to do is to subtract the mass number 73 from the number of proton, which is 32. So that will yield to 41 for the number of neutrons. So always remember, class, that in finding the subatomic particles, you just need to be observant of what are given. So as I've mentioned, the atomic number is always equal to the number of protons. So if you will notice here, there are three givens that are alike. We have here the atomic number, the number of protons, and the number of electrons. And if neutron is missing, all you need to do is you always subtract the mass number minus the number of proton. Okay, and if mass number is missing, all you need to do is to just add the number of neutrons plus the number of protons. Okay, so thank you so much, class, for listening.